What? What do you come here to say to me, brother?
I suppose I come to say a lot of things to you, actually. You know, people are starting to talk, actually. It's quite embarrassing, and besides, you called me to come here, not the other way around. This is at your house. So what do you have to say to me?
Well, for one, I'm busy. Two, fuck off. And three, it's Christmas and I'm busy. I mean, yeah, you know.
No. See, that's it right there. It's the fucking laughter you do. Okay? This is Christmas, and you're here doing paperwork. It's inappropriate, Daniel. I mean, what are you doing? Why are you not downstairs having tea and coffee with us? Okay, your daughter hasn't even opened her fucking presents yet. You're up here laughing at me. And I'm still mad. You're laughing right now.
It's funny. I'm sorry.
No, fuck it. Come off it. It's not funny. Let's talk for 2 seconds about it, okay? And I'll tell you a couple other things right now. Because, you know, you've been acting very strange.
Really?
Yeah, but not really.
How?
Oh,
How so?
How really? How about fuck off? Because I come here and I'm trying to be a nice guy to you.
And it's Christmas and you'll tell me to fuck off.
That's not what I said. I never said those words.
Oh, really?
So just tell me what you want.
Let's rewind this interview and see what you just said to me about 10 seconds ago. Let's do that. Huh? That works for me. I'm busy here. I have, you know, financial issues going on. I've had to buy presents. Although it's already Christmas, I don't think anything's going to be open. I could write you a check, if that's what you want. But besides that, piss off.
Well, you know what? Actually, I think I will take that check if you don't mind. And then after that, maybe perhaps I will go piss off because I ain't staying here. Okay? So go ahead and do that. Write it up for me.
Okay,
right
cheerio.
now. Okay, fine.
All
Do
right.
it.
Okay.
Let's see what you got. Go do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Listen, I don't want any troubles. I'm done with the jibber jabbing. I will write you a check. It's Christmas. It's the holidays of thanks and giving. So, I will write you a check. To
That's
Matthew.
That's fine. Just
Merry Christmas, Matthew. Love.
is he
Jeffrey.
putting that in the memo?
I could if you want me to.
Yes, please.
You will need to take one of these.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
Is that the check right there?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay.
The bank is closed today, but perhaps on Monday you can cash it.
Well, I appreciate it. The actual offer to go to the bank today. Unfortunately, I won't be able to cash a check that says "fuck you" on it. I imagine the teller at the bank might ask me to step aside. So
I think she might actually like it.
Fuck off, because I know what this means. This means "fuck you." This isn't even a check. Do you know that?
Well, yes, I do. I was the one that
'cause-
wrote it.
Yeah, You see, I thought I had your respect. I came here to get paid. I cleaned all 3 of your toilets. I did that for you. And I did that because I'm your friend. And to get paid, obviously. You know, times of trouble right now. And I come here and I get a check, a piece of paper that says "fuck you" on it. I'm leaving here. We are done. Do you understand anything I've just told you?
I think that check said it all,
And
yes.
you take your Continental briefcase, suitcase identifier, and you can go fuck yourself. Because I'm done.
Don't rip. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Good.
Guess what? I have something else for you too. Middle finger for you.
Why, thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, and you know what? I'm gonna find you later. I'm gonna give you another middle finger.
A double birdie.
A double middle finger. 2 middle fingers in one day. Very bad luck for you, sir.
If you give me the middle finger one more time, I will stick it up your ass until it comes out of your mouth.
Oh, let me be clear on something here. I am going to find you tomorrow, and I'm going to give you the middle finger, whether or not you like it. So just be ready for it when it happens.
If you do that, I don't have to tell you what the consequences it will be. If you give me 2 middle fingers rather than 1 within the matter of 24 hours. There are children in this neighborhood, damn it.
With all due respect, sir, I don't give a damn about the children. It's always been about the money. And I'm going to find you tomorrow. And you're going to see me. And you're going to see a nice little hand. And in that hand is going to be a middle finger, which is telling you quite properly to fuck off.
Oh yeah? Well, listen to this.
What?
Fuck off. And die.
Pass.
Well, you better not give me the middle finger.
Well, I guess we'll just see what happens.
Yes, I guess we will.
Okay?
Now take that check and fuck off.
Okay.